गुड मॉर्निंग चिल्ड्रंस। आज हम पढ़ेंगे स्टैंडर्ड 6 सोशल साइंस यूनिट 1 सोर्सेज ऑफ हिस्ट्री। डू यू नो चिल्ड्रंस व्हाट इज द सोर्सेज ऑफ हिस्ट्री? सोर्सेज ऑफ हिस्ट्री क्या होते हैं? ओके, sources of history means different types of things which we store as a history information। वो इंफॉर्मेशन पास्ट का होता है जिसमें राजा महाराजा कैसे वो रहते थे, वो कैसे, वो कौन कौन से फूड खाते हैं, वो सभी चीज़ इसमें दी गई है। अब हम आगे पढ़ते हैं। लेट अस रीड इट। What is said in this story? Early in the morning, you received a newspaper which makes you aware of the daily events and incidents। जैसे आपके घर पे भी न्यूज़पेपर आता होगा, वैसे ही यहाँ भी हम जो भी पास्ट में जो भी न्यूज़पेपर आता है वो हमारा पास्ट हो जाएगा, जिसमें हमें हिस्ट्री की इंफॉर्मेशन दी जाएगी। आफ्टर सम टाइम दिस इवेंट्स बिकम द पास्ट। जैसे मैंने बोला पहले कि जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन आज हमें मिलेगी वो कल पास्ट हो जाएगी। वी रिकॉल द डेट एंड टाइम व्हेन द सेम टाइम ऑफ इंसिडेंट हैपेंस। जो हमें भी जो डेट और टाइम में हमें इसमें वी रिकॉल द डेट एंड टाइम, वो जब भी हमें हमारे इंसिडेंट जो भी होगा वो हमारे पास्ट में हमें न्यूज़पेपर में पढ़ा होगा तो हमें वो रिमाइंड होगा। इसलिए इंसिडेंट वॉट एवर हैपन वी कैन ऑल्सो रिमाइंड इट। Photographs and details information given of the past event in the newspaper help us to know our history। जैसे मैंने बोला कि हमें जो भी न्यूज़पेपर आता है वो हमें हमारी हिस्ट्री के बारे में भी पता चलेगा। In the above painting you can see a stamp, an idol, a seal, utensils, vessels and various other tools। जैसे हमें पिक्चर में दिखाई देता है कि तरह तरह के स्टैम्प्स है, आइडल्स है, सील्स है, वैसे ही डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ टूल्स आर देयर। वी कम टू नो हिस्ट्री थ्रू सच सोर्सेज। जैसे हमने पिक्चर में देखा वो हमें हिस्ट्री बताते हैं। इट इज़ नेसेसरी टू हैव knowledge of the past and to know and understand the present situation। जो हमें वो हिस्ट्री होती है उससे हमें प्रेजेंट की सिचुएशन और पास्ट की सिचुएशन दोनों तरह डिफरेंस बताते हैं। वी नो हिस्ट्री ऑफ thousands of years from olden or ancient buildings, forts, temples, stepwells and other sites। हमें हिस्ट्री में बिल्डिंग्स, temples, stepwells and many other sites which we are seen। Now let us look forward what the history says। When collecting arts, articles, photographs and pictures of paintings we gather historical information। जैसे हम कोई बुक बनाते हैं, इसमें photographs, articles, any pictures or paintings which we do are we gather as a historical information which becomes our history। You might even know some people who have a collection of old paintings, photographs, coins, stamps and written information। जैसे हमने हमारे घर पे भी हो के some coins we would have which we celebrate in which we celebrated as Dhanteras। There may be at your house many old coins which we do puja of it। This treasure of information was passed on to us by earlier generation। In December 2000 most of the newspapers has published various articles। Though in December 2000 many papers have published many articles and photographs on incident and events of the 20th century which was known as a famous Millennium Gallery। इसको हमें Millennium Gallery में स्टोर किया है। Now let us look page number 2। You are aware of the incident and personality of the 20th century from articles and photographs. As we know that we also store many historical photographs and many paintings also. Since our history is very ancient, we are always eager to know what the people eat and where in and how they live and in what types of a house they live, the activities what they does daily in their life. Let us get, but we have to know that how the people live, how the people, what the people wear as the clothes. और वैसे हम आज तो वैसे हम जो हम आज पेपर के बारे में जो Tarpatras and Bhojpatras are there which are going to study. In Tarpatras and Bhojpatras, it is a paper. Let us read it. We can know about the past through various sources. The Tarpatras and Bhojpatra manuscripts written mostly in the Brahma script are some of them. वो जिसमें it is used, this leaves it is a skin of a tree which are used as a book. Bhojpatras are made of a skin of a tree which is known as Bhoj. It is a skin of a tree which is known as a Bhoj. Bhoj एक ट्री है जिसमें से जो भी स्किन उसकी है उसको जिसे हम पढ़ते हैं कि वी यूज जैसे हमारे ब्राह्मण और मैनी टाइप्स ऑफ पीपल इन ओल्डन टाइम्स दे यूज एज राइटिंग ऑन इट which collects as the information, and nowadays we can see as a Veda which are written in these like pages. Although most of the Brahman manuscripts have been developed by destroyed by insects. The many manuscripts were destroyed by insects which they eat as a food. Some are still preserved in the temples, Vedas, libraries and government museums. Nowadays many Bhojpatras and Tarpatras are preserved in the temples, Vedas, libraries and government museums like National Museum of Delhi, etc. Using this source, we get lots of information about the kings, administrations and public life in the ancient times. जैसे मैंने पहले भी बोला कि ये भोजपत्र और तलपत्रास में many administration and kings write many things on it and preserved as a historical pages which are used in nowadays, which we can look as a Vedas.